So how much will Senator Harry Reid's health care bill ultimately cost? Come Monday, we should find out. But the longer the wait, the more the leaks. And here's the latest. A $54 billion addition. A report today saying that the tax threshold on those so-called Cadillac insurance plans is now being raised to $23,000 for couples from $21,000. That means fewer union members then would potentially get hit. Could that be a payoff for union support and a big Democratic base? Republican Congressman Dave Reichert of Washington says, yeah. Congressman, if that is the case, will that $2,000 dip make the difference?
Well, you know, what I'm worried about is that we continue on with this whole idea that we're going to pay for this bill by taxing people. So now we're going to tax their health insurance plans. In the House side, we've already passed a bill that taxes families, taxes small businesses, taxes medical devices for seniors and our special needs community. And then we're also going to fine people and send them to jail. So the bill just keeps getting worse and worse and worse every day that goes by.
But the key provision here, I understand, Congress, tight in time here, but the cost seems to be borne largely by rich folks, right? The pound of flesh isn't coming from many others, and certainly not unions. So what do you make of that?
Well, it's coming from small businesses. That's really my concern. 8% tax on small businesses. Plus, if you're the owner of that business, you get a 5.4% surtax.
So when they come back at you, when they come back at you, sir, and say, well, this actually affects a small percentage of those businesses, and the congressman's overstating it, what do you say?
Well, you know, they're looking at businesses that make $500,000 or more. Most of those businesses employ 7 to 10 to 12 people. Those are small businesses, and these this isn't adjusted for any increases out into the future. So more and more people will creep into that area, and they're going to be taxed the same. That 8%, that 5.4% taxes added on top of that. Now, when you start talking about taxing insurance policies, you know, who's going to define what a Cadillac insurance plan is? And you're right. I think the unions are going to come out strong against this. They're going to make sure that their insurance policies don't get taxed, and it will fall on those people that are working for those small businesses that are not unionized, and or those people that have personal policies of their own.
Congressman, always a pleasure having you. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Well, you know, everyone said he lost, right? Now maybe not. Conservative Doug Hoffman is here on what could be a dramatic change in developments.
If you believe that your relationship with your investments